Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Reolink has launched wireless security system bundles designed for peace of mind and lots of convenience. The Argus 4 Pro kit includes 2 cameras along with dual solar panels and a home hub. There's a similar bundle available that uses Argus PT Ultra cameras. They feature 355-degree pan and 140-degree tilt. The Argus 4 Pro cameras have dual lenses that can stitch 2 views into a seamless 180-degree 4K perspective. The Home Hub gives you lots of room with a 64GB SD card included and slots for up to a terabyte of storage. We like the versatile connectivity of the cameras with the ability to use dual-band Wi-Fi 6. Head to Reolink.com for more.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at C-Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at ccrane.com or just click on the link at Techstination.com.